Save $200 on any digital system, $900 and up with the code D200. Knock $200 right off the top with the code D200. If you need help, give us a call at 866-966-5550 or go to TadiBrothers.com, put it in your cart and save $200 right away. Don't forget, we're also giving free audio upgrades on all digital systems. Happy Labor Day. See you guys soon. Welcome to the Taddy Brothers Labor Day 360-degree system coupon bonanza. You can save on any of our 360 systems $150 with the code Q150. That works for any of them. However, if you got your eye on the Jeep or the van, you can save $200 on that one with T200. The motorhome, that one's pricey and we're giving you a big discount for that one. It's T250 for the motorhome. Save $250. And if you're going with the Big Daddy, the fifth wheel, the one that gives you 1080p broadcasting between the fifth wheel and the pickup truck, you can save $300 with the code T300. Okay? Now, if you need any extra help, you can whip on over to TadiBrothers.com or you can call us anytime at 866-966-5550. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys soon. Happy Labor Day, everybody. This is Tamir from Taddy Brothers. Today I'm going to go over the coupons that we have for our analog wireless system, the RV one, which is the 90117, or the horse trailer one, which is the 90217. On this system here, you can save $30 with the code M30. In addition to that, you're also going to get the grid lines upgrade at no extra charge. So that's a savings of $60 on the system. That's the M30 and the grid lines. You don't have to add the grid lines to the cart. We will automatically do it for you. If you need any help, give us a call at 866-966-5550 or on TadiBrothers.com. Put the code M30 at checkout and you're good to go. Talk to you guys soon. Happy Labor Day. Welcome to the Taddy Brothers Labor Day Discount Bonanza. We have a system exclusive coupon. If you've been looking at our flagship digital wireless system, the 90121, we are giving $200 off in addition to the daily special. With this coupon of S200, you will save an additional $200. So in effect, you're going to be getting the 90121, the flagship commercial grade digital system, for the price of our classic 90113 digital system. So 90121, save $200 with the code D200. Go to TadiBrothers.com or call us anytime, 866-966-5550, and we will help you guys out. Again, the code is D200. See you guys soon. Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers.com. I'm Tamir. Today I want to go over some Labor Day discounts we got for you. You can save exclusively on any of our microwave blind spot systems $150. Use the code T150 at checkout and you can save $150 on any of our microwave systems. Whether it's the car one, the 55699, or the one for the motorhome, the 55799, you can knock off $150 off the already daily special with the code T150. If you want help, you can also call us at 866-966-5550 or whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, put in the code T150 at checkout, and you'll see the discount there. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Talk to you guys soon and happy Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everybody. I'm Tamir from TadiBrothers.com, and today we're doing something special for Labor Day. We're doing a category-wide discount, okay? If you go to our sensor systems, the parking sensors, any parking sensor you want, you could save $25 with the code S5. That's S like Sam and the number 5. And you could save $25 off of any parking sensor system. That means our entry-level parking sensor, which is $100, you can save $25 if you plug in the code S5 at checkout. If you need help placing your order, you can always give us a call at 866-966-5550 or whip on over to TadiBrothers.com, put in the code S5 at checkout, and we're good to go. Happy Labor Day, and we're here if you need us. Hey everybody, happy Labor Day. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the coupons, but I'm going to display all of them right here. There's a few item-specific ones we'll show a little later on other videos. Nevertheless, if you want to get some discounts now, you're going to get $50 off of anything over $350 with code M50. $175 off of anything over $950, code M175. If you want to get a little higher end stuff, you can save $300 on anything over $1,400 with code M300. And the Big Daddy, you can save $400 on anything $2,000 and up with M400. Now to reach that number, you can mix and match. Like you can add a digital system with a blind spot system, will get you to $950, and then you're gonna get the $175 off. So mix and match, whatever gets you there. If you need help, obviously call us at 866-966-5550. And one more thing, any of the analog systems or the digital, we're doing free audio upgrade and free grid line upgrades. All right, so again, 866-966-5550. The coupon is going to be at the end of this video, so you can take a picture of it. See you guys soon.